What's going on, y'all? Yeah, sun went down a little bit. You see the little bit I did. Still got a lot more to do. Just a little run over. Make it look halfway decent. Yeah. I got the B&M shifter. Yep. Well, we got that going for it. Put the cover and everything on in a little bit. Yeah, trying to come along with something. Slowly but surely getting this bad baby together. Yeah, well, we got the B&M in. Got a little bit of painting done. I did a little painting on my motor, which I'm gonna show y'all probably on the next video when I get to slapping this mug on in. But I'm gonna finish cleaning this up and painting it up a little bit more. So it's a budget bill. It ain't nothing spectacular. But I do want to make it look, you know, somewhat good and decent. And my next project, I think I'm gonna go in and do it right, take it off the frame and all that. This one ain't a bad car, so I'm gonna just work with what I got and work with the money I got to do it, get it going. Yeah, it ain't gonna be too much longer though. We'll be running soon. To be continued. Well, all right, YouTube. Shit. Guess I'll catch y'all in the next one.